National Nutrition Week is observed in India every year from September 1 to September 7 with an aim to create awareness among people about healthy eating habits and importance of healthy food. A virtual Bharat Nutrition Week has been organized in India from 1 to 7 September 2020 by bringing together health secretaries, government and private health and agriculture institutions, policymakers, research and development organizations for nutrition and food, specialists, nutritionists, and food experts to share the best practices, technology, and provide solutions to India's malnutrition problems, create awareness among low and middle income groups to fight against undernutrition, and to do collective efforts to address the nutrition issues of the country. Nutrition, in its simple terms, means the food we eat and the way it affects one's health. Eating healthy and a balanced diet that includes fruits, green leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals, milk and milk products is must have in today's sedentary lifestyle. Eating unhealthy food often results in diseases and stunted growth. Proper nourishment helps us to achieve our potential. The current prevailing situation is the right time to shift focus on one's health, shed off wrong eating habits, and make common masses aware about what to eat, how to eat, and when to eat.
Balanced diet gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. To get the nutrition you need, most of your daily calories should come from fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and lean protein.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਡਰਾਈ ਫਰੂਟ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। ਬਾਜ਼ਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਨੇਕਾਂ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਰਾਈ ਫਰੂਟ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਖਰੋਟ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ। ਅਖਰੋਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਿਹਤ ਲਈ ਲਾਹੇਵੰਦ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਾਹੇਵੰਦ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਹੱਡੀਆਂ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ, ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਦੀ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਲ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਤਣਾਅ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇਕਰ ਨੀਂਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਉਹਦੀ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਭੋਜਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੱਤ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਦੁੱਧ। ਜੀ ਹਾਂ, ਦੁੱਧ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੱਤ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਨ: ਵਿਟਾਮਿਨ, ਕੈਲਸ਼ੀਅਮ, ਪੋਟਾਸ਼ੀਅਮ, ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ।
We eat different kinds of food during the day. No single food items can provide all the essential nutrients to make the diet healthy or balanced. To eat a healthy food, we should include food from all the food groups in our daily meals. A healthy food must contain food from each of the following food groups, that is milk group, cereal group, protein group, fruit and vegetable group. The requirement of a varies from individual to individual depending upon their body weight and nature of physical activity. Taking a healthy food that is all essential nutrients in adequate amount is called good nutrition.
Indian food is considered as the best from nutrition point of view. Here are some healthy dietary choices which one must adopt to avoid health-related issues. Prefer homemade food, cooked with right ingredients as it is more appetizing, more hygienic, and more healthy. Our kitchen, storehouse of nutrition. We often neglect the health benefits of spices and condiments present in our kitchen. Black pepper, that is kali mirch, fenugreek, methi, cinnamon, dalchini, coriander, dhania, turmeric, haldi, etc. are anti-inflammatory and natural immunity boosters apart from imparting flavor to the food. Prefer local products which are grown locally as they are more fresh and healthy as compared to ones kept in cold storage. Include more lentils such as kidney beans, grams, as they are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants. Prefer unpolished dals. Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Eat slowly, take time to eat and chew the food properly. As you chew more, your body finds it easy to absorb the nutrients from the food. The key to our health is in our hands only. When you eat right, you work right. A healthy lifestyle is the first step towards a productive nation.